Hi folks, Russell Wright from ThemeZoom.com and TheLastKeyword.com, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Here's a little bit of a snippet from a proposal by IncreaseVisibility.com. These are ThemeZoom certified companies, or they're working on the final phases of their ThemeZoom certification. Very skilled at using the tool for 5- and 6-figure proposals. This is a snippet given by permission for them showing how it overlaps with ThemeZoom and how you can make kick-ass proposals using Krakken ThemeZoom. First of all, siloing and silo architecture. This is a unique demonstration of how to explain theming to your client or to your boss, or however you're using this, our ThemeZoom Kraken application. You have an apple with mixed fruit, different slices from different fruit. Okay, and if you're trying to go for the word fruit in general, that might make sense, but it doesn't help you break down your site and your silos into midtails and longtails. Whereas you have a landing page that's generalizing fruit at the top, you want to break those fruits down into their different silos. Lemons are lemons, oranges are oranges, pears are pears, red apples, green apples, the rest. Otherwise, you don't really target those words specifically. I know it seems like basic stuff, but your whole top-down architecture for writing that your client doesn't understand that when you go to them. They think a website is a website. They don't know there's optimal ways to leverage the language, okay? More importantly, it's important to understand how to blend your unique selling proposition. That's one of the things that we teach, is how to take that technical architecture and map a USP, or unique selling proposition, on it. Your client's going to give you a list. The apple, or obviously their products are apples, pears, and lemons here. They're going to give you a list of the keywords they think their company is about. And hopefully they've developed a USP. If they haven't, you're going to have to at least help them a little bit with that, or direct them into the direction of talking to somebody who can develop a professional USP for them if that's not on your list of services. Because really you need to not blend that rate. Developing USP at a separate price point, and we talk about USP separately. You're going to have to pay me $5K to develop a USP and $5K for a blueprint minimum. Okay, so that's just what I want you to understand, is the cost. But when you get all done, you're going to integrate those things together. That's where blueprints are so powerful. The best way for you to get top listings and rankings for those theme-related keywords is to silo each fruit or topics or services you offer into a modified qualified terms. Then you can also get ranked for green apples, red apples much easier, because they're overlapping what's called shingles. All right, and that's an important thing to understand. And here's another picture, again, from our friends at Increased Visibility, that shows the way that they lay out their siloing blueprint. A lot of this stuff was stuff that we educated them on how to create silo architecture, and also Fabiano took that into their firm. The widely accepted cluster model developed by Michael Porter explains how businesses can create sustainable economic development through clustering. So architecture has many applications, not just optimal web architecture. The exciting stuff is, if you have a 5, sometimes even 6K proposal to a firm, like this particular proposal was, they're taking a lot of the pictures directly out of Kraken. And so, Increased Visibility uses that. A vertical is defined as a term which have 1 million to 10 million competing pages. A vertical market consists of 20 to 30 key phrases that you achieve top listings for on the major search engines. Now, you may change the variability of that. You may do 10 terms or whatever, but generally speaking, you want to go for the vertical, okay? Dedicated server hosting is the example they gave. And this does convert clients, folks, to add the theme market analysis, image from Kraken, because it has the total search market value, the organic market value, and the organic rank value. Okay, this is one of the things they do when they propose to a firm. Notice they have all of their addresses and their website and everything tied to this, and it's not difficult to close a client when you're using this kind of data. Here's a little secret. They also throw in the free tool. Now think about that, guys. A 5-figure proposal with a free tool that we provide you for free, the theme market matrix with Gladius. Okay, the OMV is the estimated market value of the keywords. It's just a very simple demonstration. We designed this for free. So again, this is a 5-figure proposal. Keep in mind that we don't spit out these proposals for you on the current version of Kraken. We're working on a modification that will allow us to do that, but it's not very much work to put these kinds of things in a proposal when you know what you're doing. I'm not going to show the price points and the listings, because that's private data for increased visibility. Just want to show you how powerful your proposal looks. You can close a 5-figure proposal with just a few pieces of data from the Kraken technology. See you on the inside.